Hi, my name is Chapin. I am director and founder of Creeducate Consulting, and we help thousands of clients in Europe and Asia prepare their research stories to submit to high-ranking international research journals. And through our many years of experience, we've seen many of our clients struggle with the same challenges in how to organize their thoughts. So we've put together, to help such people, which may include you, we've put together a 5-step process to outlining your manuscript. We've uploaded this 5-step process to our website. I encourage you to take a look at it there. And what I'd like to do with you now is give you a short verbal walkthrough of our 5 steps. If all of you work together and solidify and optimize these 5 steps of your manuscript, you're going to be in a much better position to start drafting the entire paper. Our first step in this 5-step process is to identify in a few bullet points what are the knowledge gaps or performance gaps that need to be addressed by your study, that you wanted to address in your study. Why did you do your study in the first place? Why is it important to fill those gaps? If that's not something you can say concisely, then you're more likely to have trouble selling your paper as new and useful to a journal editor. In step 2, you're going to look at the state of the art briefly. You're going to write a few bullet points about what have previous studies done to address the knowledge gap or performance gap that you attacked in your paper. So other papers must have made movement along those gaps towards filling those gaps, but obviously you think that's not enough because you did your new study to address the same gaps. So in step 3, you're going to now announce what new knowledge or new performance your study brings. In other words, what are the products or deliverables from your new study? And those deliverables should align very tightly with what you said in step 1 were the knowledge gaps or performance gaps. In step 4, you're going to take this text basis, what you've done in steps 1 through 3, and turn it into a visual story using tables and figures. You're going to outline not the complete legends and structure of all the tables and figures, but just the overall titles. Table 1 would talk about this. Figure 1 would talk about this. And your goal here is to make sure that you have data that will support each of the deliverables you mentioned in step 3. In the last step, step 5, you're going to suggest a title for your paper. And you might think, wait a minute, title is what comes first in the article. Why is that step 5? Well, we believe at Creeducate that only when you've really nailed down concise, clear statements about the gaps your study is addressing and the things that you do beyond what the next most similar studies have done in the literature, until you nail that down, you can't write the best possible title. So write your title, and then after you've gone through these 5 steps, or while you're going through them, you may find it helpful to go back to previous steps and revise. We at Creeducate firmly believe that good science communication should be an iterative process. You try on a particular story. If it doesn't work, you go back and you revise it. Of course, always feel free to reach out to us and find out more about how we can help you with all of your science communication needs. Good luck.